What's going on, guys? So a little bit of an update today on just a few little bits that I've finished off in the workshop. Got Rob with me from DRED.
How you doing? Right.
As you can see, first things first, look at that. Absolutely stunning. Now I see a video of this a couple of days ago on WhatsApp. I just didn't have a clue just how big this portrait sign, whatever you want to call it, is. Massive, isn't it? Huge, great big portrait. Chicano style artwork with the LEDs built in. So we've just got this up today. Got a few little storage buckets on the wall for electrical components, and finishes that area off nice, doesn't it?
Yeah, it really does.
A little bit more finished. Hopefully this is coming out a little bit better. Now what I found in this workshop from doing the first video the other day was there was a pretty bad echo in here. Now you are going to get some because I've got a low ceiling and I've got the camera the other side of the workshop, so hopefully there's still a bit of an improvement from last time. We'll see when this comes out. Let us know. I think what I might do in the future is use a plug-in lavalier mic when I'm doing stuff far away in this workshop. So as you'll see behind me, put in some acoustic foam tiles. Done a few bits well with the sound deadening. I've got bass traps in all four corners. Put up quite a few acoustic tiles all around the room. I'm not sure if it's in the shop. My dog's currently laying on a rug. Gabby's chilled out over there on the rug. Just trying to soak up a few of the sounds bouncing around. I don't want to coat the whole room floor to ceiling in, you know, acoustic deadening, but just doing what I can to make sure the future videos I've got coming out are good quality. Now, obviously a massive thanks to Rob for doing this artwork. Absolutely sick. His work is top notch. Don't forget to check out his channel if you're not already subscribed. DRED. Your channel's starting to grow pretty quick now, isn't it? It's starting to take up now. And he's the hardest working man in the room. He's always working hard. So he deserves it. So if you're not already, pop over there and check out some of his work. It's absolutely amazing. There is some more artwork going around the room. Yeah, so this one's going to be going just to the side of the workbench there. Going to get this one framed. Kind of tying with the theme Chicano artwork whole way round. And I've got a couple more going the other end of the workshop that Rob's going to do on canvas.
Canvases, yeah. Yeah,
which, you know, hopefully it'll be like a, yeah, it's like GTA Chicano kind of vibe. A little bit clown girl. Yeah, going to be good. Going to be good. So, a few more bits to do, but a lot has been done. Yeah, so in terms of the workshop, there's probably a few little bits I'm going to do, but for the best part, it is pretty much done now. It's really nice to be on the other side of things, and I apologise to anyone on the channel. I don't feel like I've been putting as much effort into my content, and some of the projects like the world's fastest mountain bike have kind of been put on the back burner a bit. This has been a lot of work to get to this stage of having this workshop, and in the meantime I've had other projects getting pulled up. I've got a kind of Ado e-bike that I need to do a review on. I've been sent to do a review this week. I'm not going to give away exactly what's inside this box yet, but I've got some interesting bits. I bought a beautiful Trek Roscoe 6 which I'm going to be doing a really interesting build on in a candy flip purple colour. Going to do a crazy video or two on that before putting it out for sale, or yeah, so a lot of projects coming up now. I have had to sacrifice a lot of my effort that I normally put into the videos into getting this workshop done basically. So what's been a little bit detrimental to the channel is the benefit in the future. So I'm starting to get on the other side of things now where I can start thinking about projects again and getting moving with that. So many things coming up. I've got the electric water bike, got more reviews coming up. I've got some crazy builds, conversions, some mid-drive stuff going to be coming on the channel. Loads and loads and loads of stuff, and I've got more stuff than that, just stuff in the sheds.
And this is perfect now because you can go through winter projects. And you've got
this is it. When I'm not able to get outside, when we've got all the rain and drizzle in England, I'll be able to lock myself in here and do more longer term interesting projects, are either a bit crazy, a bit fast, which is where I want to be at with it. So, you know, I might look into starting welding or something. I can't weld to save my life, but I'm in talks with a company about maybe getting sent some welding gear, and that could open up some more avenues. So yeah, a lot of stuff to come on the channel, but just wanted to give you guys a quick update on yeah, where I've been at really, and why things have slowed down a bit, and people have been saying, where's the world's fastest bike, where's this, where's that. It's because of my time and energy has been tied up in this. But thanks for everyone for supporting. and letting the channel get to this stage where I've been able to use every penny I've made from the channel to basically get to this stage of building this workshop. So just a quick update, guys. Thanks to Rob and thanks to you guys for supporting the channel. Yeah, and quick update, very short and sweet, but tune in. Like next week I'm going to be hitting the ground hard with reviews, conversions, crazy builds, and hopefully you'll tune in and watch some of them soon. Thanks for watching, guys.